Hello. In this video, we're going to go over solving for the partial fractions of x plus 8 over x squared minus 4. First thing we're going to do is factor the denominator, which is a perfect square that goes into x minus 2, x plus 2. Because we know a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b. Next, we're going to break this down. We're going to put a over the first denominator part of the denominator and b over the second part. Basically, what I'm saying is the common denominator was x plus 2, x minus 2, and we separated the common denominator. Next, we are going to multiply everything by the common denominator. After that, we are going to cancel with what does cancel and rewrite the whole thing. I forgot to finish this up here. Oops. And rewrite what we have left. So this is going to now be x plus 8. Let's rewrite that. X plus 8 equals a x minus 2 plus b x plus 2. So now what we need to do is solve for a and b. And in order to do that, we're going to have to set x equal to something that sets one of these parts equal to 0. So the first thing I'm going to do is set x equal to 2, because that will set this equal to 0. When x is equal to 2, we have 2 plus 8 on the left side, a times 2 minus 2, plus b times 2 plus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0, and anything times 0 is just 0. This will turn into 4b, and this will turn into 10. So we have 10 is equal to 4b divided by 4, divided by 4. B is equal to 5 over 2. Next, we're going to set x equal to another number to get a. So we want to set x equal to something that gets this to 0. And that would be x is equal to negative 2. We plug that in. We have negative 2 plus 8. A negative 2 minus 2 plus b times negative 2 plus 2. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. Anything times 0 is 0. This turns into negative 4b because negative 2 minus 2. And this turns into 6. We're going to divide by negative 4. Sorry, this is an a, not a b. My fault. That's an a. Divide by negative 4. We see a is equal to negative 3 over 2. Now, to rewrite my final answer, all I'm going to have to do is replace a and b. Now notice that we have a fraction for a, but it's super easy. All we're going to have to rewrite it as keep the numerator in the numerator and put the denominator with that denominator we originally started with up here. So then we have negative 3 over 2 times x plus 2, because there's a, which is negative 3 over 2. Does that make sense? So that makes that a little clear. I'm going to write that here because that's what a is equal to now. And then we have plus b, which is just 5 as the numerator over 2 times x minus 2. And this is what the fraction x plus 8 over x squared minus 4 breaks down into as partial fractions.